Hi there. In this video, I am going to show you why WordPress meta queries are killing your site performance. We will look at real database table, actual code examples and practical solutions you can implement today to greatly speed up your queries. Taxonomies are not always the answer, but understanding how they work will show us exactly why meta queries are slow and what we can do about it. Start by looking at how WooCommerce actually stores the data. It is the postmeta table. Every single attributes becomes a separate row. Price, sale price, regular price, stock status, color, size, etc. One simple product creates 30 to 50 rows like this. With hundreds of products, just think about it. All stored this way. Now let me show you how taxonomy works differently. This is not the solution for your meta queries, but understanding these structures will show us exactly why meta queries are slow. They use 3 tables instead of 1. Terms stores each value once. Taxonomy group the terms. Term relationship directly connects the product to terms using just the taxonomy ID. No duplicate strings, no repeated data. What happens when you search for blue products using meta queries? MySQL has to find all rows where meta key equals to color. That's maybe thousands of rows. Then it scans every single one, checking if value equals to blue. Remember, there is no index on meta value. So MySQL examines thousands of rows just to find the blue color. Compare that to taxonomy queries. It first find blue color in terms, lookup get the term ID, then find taxonomy ID, lookup get the ID 45. Term relationships instantly returns all product with the taxonomy ID 45. 3 indexed lookups, no string scanning, no table joins to check the value. Meta queries examine thousands of rows and take 1 to 3 seconds, but taxonomy queries examines around 100 rows and finish in under 50 milliseconds. That's 50 to 60 times faster. When you add multiple filters, meta queries gets much slower. Why this happens? The meta table has limited indexing, which means only meta ID, post ID, meta key are indexed. Meta value has no index at all. But taxonomy tables are fully indexed everywhere. Every relationships, every term lookup, every joins uses indexes. This matters because WooCommerce hits meta queries very hard. Single product page triggers 20 to 30 meta lookups, product variations, related products, cross sells, upsells, each one scanning that massive post meta table. Result, your customer has to wait 5 to 10 seconds for pages to load. Here is the actual plan. Start with database indexes. They are easy to implement and solves most problems. Enable WooCommerce lookup tables for additional improvements. For high traffic sites, add object catching. If we have 10,000 plus products, consider custom product tables. You don't need to change your entire data structure. Simple indexes work with your existing meta queries and make them fast. In this video, I explained how WooCommerce structures its database table, why this affects your site speed, and what steps you can take to fix the performance issues. In the next video, I will show you exactly how to implement the solution step by step. See you in the next one.